Everyone, so I finally completed reading the very first book of Twisted series, and yes, this one, Twisted Love by Anna Huang. So this is the very first book of the Twisted series. So there are four books. So I completed reading this book, and I started this book with a lot of expectations. I was like कि इतना hype है इस book का, and so many people were recommending me. So I was like कि बहुत कुछ मैंने expect कर लिया था इस book से, and after reading it, after completing it, मतलब मेरा मन भी नहीं कर रहा था इस book को पूरी पढ़ने का. Like I read it till 200 pages, and उसके आगे मुझे बिल्कुल भी मन नहीं कर रहा था, but क्योंकि मैंने इसको start कर दिया था, and like there are about 320 pages, so मैंने सोचा कि let's complete it. बट लास्ट में थोड़ा बहुत आ गया था इंटरेस्ट, बट नॉट दैट मच, बिकॉज द स्टोरी इज़ वेरी मच प्रिडिक्टेबल आई गेस, क्योंकि मैंने जो प्रिडिक्ट किया था वही हो रहा था एट द वेरी लास्ट में. सो इट वॉज लाइक कि नथिंग सो स्पेशल एंड कुछ सस्पेंसफुल एंड ऑल. The book basically revolves around two main characters, Alex and Eva. And before starting this book, I saw the review of this book, and I got to know that people are not liking Alex that much. So when I started, I was also expecting the same. Maybe I don't like the character of Alex, but till the 100 page, yes, I guess till 101 page, I exactly remember it. So till there I was okay with the character of Alex, and I was like it's not that bad. But after reading, after some chapters, I don't like the character of Alex at all. You know, like I found him toxic, and the way he was treating Eva, he was like treating Eva as if she is some object and all. So I don't like all that. And I don't know, the story also seems very, you know, okayish kind of. I don't like that book that much. Maybe it's because I expected more, and I don't know what. But now talking about the writing part, so the book is written fantastically, because you know, you will get to know what both of these characters are thinking, their point of views, and each and everything, how story is going from both of their perspectives. So I really like the writing style, the plots and all. Some characters are very good, like the four friends, their understanding with each other, and how they help each other in all the situations. You will get to know about all this once you read this book. And everything, like the character of Eva is good. And there were time when I also don't like the character of Eva, the way she was reacting to these different situations, but then I convinced myself that it's a fictional book, and you can't expect the fictional character to react like you, like if you would have in that situation, how would I have reacted. So like I convinced myself finally. And yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to say about Twisted Love. And would I recommend this? Not really.